I'm Grace, and today I'm gonna clean out my dollhouse. I have been filming quite a lot lately, and after a while my house just gets really cluttered, dusty, and just needs some cleaning up. So I thought maybe you guys would want to just come along and watch me clean up my dollhouse. I get some of the most random things in here. I just start tossing things where I can, and I just don't put things away where they should go. It's a bad habit. I recently reorganized all my Barbie clothes and accessories. I was thinking about showing those to you guys at some point. Let me know in the comments if you wanted to see those. I've been trying really hard to get more videos out there. I cannot believe I hit 1,000 subscribers. Wow guys, thank you again so much. I'm still trying to get more watch hours. I'm trying to figure out what you guys like to watch, what your favorite content is, and how I can make more of it. You guys have been so awesome. Your comments have been so sweet, and I really appreciate that so much. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I was thinking maybe while I cleaned, I'd tell you the story of my first Barbie dolls and where I got them and how I got them. So actually, my first Barbie doll was actually a little Chelsea doll that I got for Christmas one year. I can't even remember how old I was. I know I was pretty little. After that, I got a Skipper doll for my birthday. And then I did buy my first Barbie doll for $5 at a local Mark's. I was so happy to have her. She's just your very basic Barbie doll. I'll have to show them to you guys sometime. And after that, I got Stacy. And so then I had all 4 sisters. I did have this one Christmas where me and my sisters got a bunch of Barbie playsets, and so where I got my first Barbie house, which I played with and I still use and have been using for years. It's one of my favorite sets. And I remember getting the Princess Charm School Barbie playset. That was me and my sister's favorite Barbie movie. Comment below if you have a favorite Barbie movie from your childhood, or if you have a favorite right now. I'd love to know what it is. I have loved Barbie for such a long time, me and my sisters actually. And I have so many good memories of playing with them, setting up Barbie play sets, and just having fun. It really just does make me happy that I'm still able to have fun with my Barbie dolls and show even more people and kind of share that with you guys. So yeah, I've been working pretty hard at trying to get out more content to you guys. I hope you've been enjoying it. Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this, just kind of everyday things. I enjoy making them because it's kind of just me doing everyday things, and I get to show you guys and bring you along with it. And it kind of gives us something to relate to. I'm sure you guys, if you have doll houses, you can relate to it getting pretty messy after a while. And mine just gets so dusty too. One of my favorite Barbie sets right now, well, recently I did get the Barbie t-shirt press playset. I haven't used it in a video yet, and that kind of makes me sad. So I'm cooking up a way to incorporate it into my Everyday Adventures episodes, so hopefully that comes soon. Oh my goodness. How dare I just leave my dolls laying around? See? I need to do better at putting them away and setting them up nicely. Just after a long day, sometimes I'm just like so done, especially when Barbies don't want to stand up and cooperate, like for real. I guess that's no reason for me to treat them like that though. So, making it right now and cleaning everything up. That last episode of Everyday Adventures where Christy and her relatives are at the supermarket and they're doing that little cheer, that took a long time to film. I don't have any like proper stands to keep dolls standing up yet. So they kept falling over and over and over and over again, and it was maddening. Finally got something, and I did like how it turned out, but I feel like it could have been done better. Check that video out. Let me know what you guys think of that part, because I thought it was something funny to incorporate, but it turned out to be a little more tricky to film than I had imagined. But I did order some ankle stands for Barbies. Hopefully that'll help with stop motion and just keeping them stood up. And I just feel like that'll make my videos a little more professional, just having them looking like they're standing up on their own. Sometimes when I'm really cleaning out my dollhouse, I'll even take out the carpets and like shake them out. But today I'm just gonna dust things off slightly. It's not too bad. It's just mostly clutter and items that didn't belong. Well, looks like I've got everything cleaned up now. I do also want to perhaps change Barbie's outfit and fix up my mini-me. I don't like this pair of jeans that she's wearing. They aren't the best looking anyway. So I kind of just want to give her a different pair of bottoms. Honestly, one of the things that takes the longest for when I film everyday adventures or whatever, it's dressing all of the dolls and getting them ready for a new episode. Normally I like to change their outfits, maybe change their hairstyles, give them a cute hairstyle, and that will take a very long time. It's very time consuming. I like that part because it's really fun, but it does take a long time. So I guess I'll just get started now and start on a couple of the dolls. Picking out the accessories is the most fun part. Adds some personality, right? This is one of my favorite bracelets, so I think we're just gonna use that. It's white and it matches everything. I think that looks pretty good. For Barbie, she always wears this shirt in the summer. I'm gonna pick a different one and see what I can come up with in the tops bag. I really love this little orange top that I got recently. It's super cute, but I don't know if it works for Barbie. Definitely not with these pants. So I do want to give her some black leggings. Sometimes I have to try on a few outfits to see if they work because I can't always visualize it until it's on her. Like this, I can't even decide like which top, but I do like this one a lot better. And she hasn't been wearing earrings, so I'm gonna put these hoops in. If you want to make these hoops, they're super simple and easy. I'll link to the little short I made so you can check that out if you'd like. I always like to give Barbie her classic little braid. I feel like she always wears it. It looks cute on her. It's a fun and easy hairstyle. Would you guys like a hairstyle video? I know a couple of you asked for that, so if you still would like a hairstyle video, make sure to let me know in the comments and like this video. Well guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me clean my house, just dress up my dolls, and get everything ready for another week of filming. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you be a part of this channel. We have so much fun here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!